gamer mouse pad. What's up everybody, Boba here, and today we've got the Glorious Elements Mousepad Fire Edition. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys why this mousepad is lit. See what I did there? But first, we gotta roll that intro. What's up everybody, Boba here, coming at you guys with another video. Today, we are gonna be unboxing and reviewing one of Glorious's new mouse pads, which is the Fire Hybrid mousepad. But first, I just want to say thank you guys for the support. I'm at 60 subscribers now. I've been growing pretty decently, and I'm having a blast doing this for everyone here. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for the support. I hope everyone is staying healthy. And you know, if you're subscribed, leave some comments down there. Let me know that you subscribed and if you like this channel or not. Also, if you guys want to let me know how you're liking the thumbnails, I'm kind of trying out different thumbnails to see what people enjoy. So if you want to let me know how you like them, let me know in the comments. But we'll get right into this review here. So today we're gonna be talking about the Glorious PC Gaming Elements mousepad, specifically the Fire version. So I picked this one because it's a hybrid pad. I feel like after all the research that I've done on this mouse pad, this is the one that most people are probably gonna be going for because it's a hybrid pad. It's supposed to pretty much check all the boxes for most competitive gaming mouse pads out there. It's perfect sized. So I figured, why not? Let's get this bad boy in here for a review. So purchase this with my own money because I love you guys and I want you guys to have some good reviews. And yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, this is a hybrid pad with a perfect X and Y axis for sensitivity, meaning like if you go up, to the right, to the left, up, down, right, left, it's not gonna be faster either way. It's gonna be the same consistency up or down, left or right. So it says it's a hybrid pad, so I'm assuming, I don't know yet, that it's more of a uniform shape. It does say that it's uniform. I'm assuming that it's like kind of hard on top of being soft as well. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy unboxed real quick. And this is what the packaging looks like here. So boom, and then there is the back. And of course, I will let you all know if there is a bad smell, because we all know mouse pads sometimes come with these nasty chemical smells. I've had many issues in the past. Okay. One thing I like that Glorious does, especially with this, if this is not a like pseudo hard mouse pad alongside being a soft, like, because it says it's a hybrid, but I'm thinking when they mean hybrid, they're meaning like a good mix between control and speed is what I'm assuming. Yeah, so that's exactly what they mean. All right, off with the box. Okay, and there is the mouse pad. So it's just your standard size mouse pad for competitive gaming, like low sensitivity first person shooters. 17 inches by 15 inches in centimeters, 46 by 31. Comes with some directions things there, and of course you got the badass Glorious sticker. I love they always send stickers. These go on my PC. We'll throw that there for now. Ditch it. Okay, first things first, the smell test. I mean, literally nothing. I had a feeling that's how it was gonna be, knowing Glorious. I bought many products from Glorious. I've never had an issue. Like they know PC gaming inside and out. I'm not even, I don't even know why, but yeah, no smell whatsoever. Like even less smell than my Razer Gigantus V2 or V3. Even more smell, even less smell than that, and that didn't really even have a smell. So, yeah. Okay, so it is 4 millimeters thick, so it's not a very thick mouse pad. It's a little more thin. Yeah, definitely a thinner mouse pad. It's got a nice weaved edge, which was my last mouse pad review, was a big knock on the Razer Gigantus. Yeah, very nicely weaved. Looks like a double weaved edge. It does have a Glorious like Odin god head over here. that is on the mouse pad, and it is textured, but it's not bad. So I think if you were to go over it with your mouse, you probably wouldn't even notice it. Of course, it comes with a non-slip rubber base. So, I mean, on my IKEA desk, it slips around, but if you're putting pressure on it, it should be fine. So Glorious says that this mouse pad is a hybrid mouse pad, meaning that it's speed plus control. So you don't really see a lot of that nowadays. You kind of just see control, or you see speed, like you see hard pads, or you see like really tightly woven soft pads that are really fast. In my experience, I do not like speed pads. I've never been a fan of them. Really a speed pad for, I think most people who use speed pads are probably wrist aimers and somebody that wants to save space on their desk. So this is supposed to be a good mixture between. So that's one reason why I wanted to do this review for everyone here, because I feel like this is the mouse pad that's going to suit most people. And I think this might actually be the new king first-person shooter low sensitivity gamer mouse pads here. Okay, all the arm aimers and all the wrist aimers can unite and use this bad boy. But you know what? We've been talking about it. It's got a tightly woven surface. It's hybrid. It's non-stick. It doesn't smell. It's got woven edges. This will cost you $34.99. $35 from Glorious's website, PC Gaming Race, PCGamingRace.com, that is. And it looks like they only have the fire pad in stock now. It looks like all the other ones have sold out. So if you guys are unfamiliar with the element pads, there's 3 element pads. There's air, ice, fire. What was the other one that I was interested in? So there was two that I was interested in, fire and ice. So ice is a glass infused pad. It's they claim it's like an icy fast pad. I have not used it, and I do plan on doing a review on it down the road, but I feel like the hybrid pads are gonna be the more popular one, so I figured I would go with the fire pad. And then the wind pad is a hard plastic pad. Yeah, the wind pad is a hard plastic pad. It's just a hard pad that's really fast. I have another Glorious hard pad that was phenomenal, but it was like paper thin, so it's kind of annoying to use. This is the hybrid pad. This is the fire. Now that we got the mouse pad out, it doesn't smell. We got it unboxed. It's a mouse pad. The only way to truly review this thing is, let's hop on the gaming desk and let's play some Counter-Strike with this bad boy. All right, what's up everybody? Boba here at the table for gaming. I'm gonna show you guys how this thing performs in Counter-Strike, and I'm gonna give you guys my opinion on it. So real quick, right away with the G Pro Wireless, it's definitely has some speed to it compared to the Razer Gigantus. It's a lot slicker than the Razer Gigantus, I'll tell you that much. Razer Gigantus is definitely a control pad, but the Glorious Fire Elements mouse pad is definitely a hybrid pad. So we're gonna get in here and we're gonna play some Counter-Strike. I'm gonna give you guys my opinions on it. Right, everybody, Boba back here after testing out the mouse pad in a couple of games of Counter-Strike. Played some death matches. I recorded one of them, but I played 3 games in deathmatch. And I will tell you that this mouse pad is 100% a hybrid pad. A little bit too fast for someone like me. I'm an arm aimer with very low sensitivity, so take that for what it is. If you're an arm aimer and you like to play really low sensitivity, this is a pretty fast pad. And if you're coming from something like a SteelSeries QCK or any other type of control pad, soft pad, this is gonna be a little bit quick for you, so it's gonna take a little bit of adjustment period. As far as, you know, straight up just performance, I mean, it's a good mouse pad, good quality. It's gonna last a long time, and it's only 35 bucks, so it's not too bad. I think it's priced pretty much perfectly well. I think this is a very well priced mouse pad. It's gonna be great for Counter-Strike, great for Valorant, great for any type of first-person shooters. It's really gonna be good for any game, but it is a massive pad. It's 17 inches by 15 inches, so keep that in mind. It's a pretty decent sized pad. So if you're not needing something for low sensitivity, maybe go with something a little bit smaller, because this is just pretty much your standard big first-person shooter style big ass mouse pad. But yeah, that's really all I got for you guys. This is a really good mouse pad. If you enjoy this kind of content, and if you enjoy reviews of peripherals and gaming type stuff, technology, you name it, headphones, smash that subscribe button. And I appreciate the support, guys. I'll have a link in the description for this mouse pad for you. It is a guaranteed buy. If you want a really good mouse pad and you want something that is very, very, very well made, don't think about it. Just go get this mouse pad. I'll catch you guys next time, and I'm Boba, and I am out. See you guys.